Alright, today we're going to be working on Activity 6-1 for Windows Server 241 class. I've already logged in, or stayed logged in from the last activity. So, let's see. Server 2, which is the one we're in. Click Manage, and then Remove Roles and Features. And then we're going to click Next a couple of times here to get past the startup screen in the Server Select. And then we're going to remove Active Directory. I believe is the one it says. Yep. And then remove features and then demote this computer. So click Remove Features. In the credentials window, which just popped up here, we're going to click Change. We're going to enter the credentials of the other admin. Let me get over here so I can type this. Okay, so it's going to be the 412 DOM1 / admin. And then our password. And then click OK. Alright. Must have spelled something wrong there. Let me get in and do that again. Let's see, 412 DOM1 / Yeah, I typed something wrong there. Okay. So once we do that, we're going to click OK, and then click the last domain controller. So you need to scroll down so I can click OK, or click Next. Oh, right, the checkboxes. And they want us to click this one and then click Next. Okay, so we're going to click the Proceed with Removal and then click Next. Remove this DNS zone. So we're going to check this box and then click Next. And we're going to put in the administrator password, which we have for the local account, which is password 02. Okay, my repeated password didn't match, so I must have typed something wrong. I think I hit 01. Okay. If you review option windows, click Demote. Is unable to proceed because of a DNS lookup failure. Check my DNS settings because I'm pretty sure they're right. Let's try doing that again without doing the force removal. And if this doesn't work this time, we'll use what the book says. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do what the book says to do then, since it's failed twice. The book says if it fails the first time, to go into here, do manage, and force the removal of this domain controller is what it says to click on. in the book. Oops, I was supposed to click proceed with removal there. Alright, if, we're on step 11 if it works this time. Now that we're logged back into server 2, it says to click on the notifications flag, but there are no notifications in here yet. Probably because it's still loading. Yep, here we go. So we're going to promote this server to a domain controller, and we're going to select add a new forest, and we're going to call it forest, or 412 forest2.local. Okay. I was thinking domain 2, it's forest 2. I must have had shift held down for that. Okay. So we have forest2.local as the root domain, then we're going to click next. Follow the steps in the setup wizard. Alright, and we're going to use the password. Okay, and click next, and then next. Said to use all the same steps as activity 1.1, which was pretty much just going through and using the defaults. Right, then we're going to click install. Okay, after logging back in, step 12 says to verify the installation. We have our computer name, our domain name, our Ethernet IP address. And we go into domains and trusts, and we have forest2 local. Alright. I believe that's enough to verify that it's installed, so I'll get this edited down for time, get it posted.